Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel. How do I greet the host at a party?
Say, "Thank you for inviting me."
Grammar lesson. Thank you for is followed by a gerund, for example, inviting.
Should I say goodbye before leaving?
Yes, thank the host before you go.
Vocabulary expansion. A host is someone who organizes and invites people to a party.
What if I don't like the food?
Don't say anything rude. Just eat what you can.
Grammar insight. Don't is a contraction of do not and is used to give a negative command.
Should I help clean up?
Yes, offer to help. It's a kind gesture.
Vocabulary focus. Gesture means an action that shows care or kindness.
Why is this important?
Because it shows respect for the host.
Grammar tip. Shows is a verb indicating that something demonstrates or represents.
What are magic words?
Words like please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me.
Vocabulary lesson. Magic words are polite expressions that make interactions smooth.
Why are they called magic?
Because they make people happy and show respect.
Grammar tip. Because introduces a reason in a sentence.
Should I interrupt adults when they're talking?
No, wait until they finish.
Grammar insight. Interrupt means to stop someone while they are speaking.
How do I get someone's attention politely?
Say, "Excuse me," before speaking.
Vocabulary lesson. Attention means focus or notice given to something or someone.
Is it okay to point at people?
No, that can be seen as rude.
Grammar tip. Can be seen is a passive voice structure indicating perception.
Can I take someone's turn on the slide?
No, wait for your turn in line.
Vocabulary lesson. Turn means your chance to do something.
Should I share my toys with others?
Yes, sharing shows kindness.
Grammar insight. Sharing is a gerund used as the subject in this sentence.
What if someone doesn't want to share?
Respect their choice and find something else to play with.
Vocabulary expansion. Respect means to accept someone's feelings or decisions.
Should I say sorry if I bump into someone?
Yes, always apologize if you hurt someone accidentally.
Grammar tip. Always is an adverb indicating frequency.
Why is it important to be kind at the playground?
Because everyone is there to have fun, and kindness makes it better.
Vocabulary focus. Kindness means being caring and considerate.
Should I talk to strangers?
Only if I am with you, and keep the conversation short.
Grammar reminder. Should expresses advice or suggestion.
How do I say hello to someone new?
Smile and say, "Hello, nice to meet you."
Vocabulary lesson. Stranger means someone you don't know.
What if a stranger offers me candy?
Politely say no and tell me right away.
Grammar tip. Tell me is a direct request. Use tell to give information and say for speaking words.
Should I ever go somewhere with a stranger?
No, never go anywhere without telling me first.
Vocabulary insight. Anywhere means any place at all.
What if I get lost in a public place?
Find a police officer or ask a store staff member for help.
Grammar reminder. What if introduces a possible problem.
Can I touch the exhibits?
No, most exhibits are for looking, not touching.
Vocabulary lesson. Exhibit refers to items displayed in a museum.
Should I run inside the museum?
No, walk slowly and carefully.
Grammar tip. Should gives advice, and walk slowly uses an adverb to describe how to walk.
What if I have a question about something?
Ask the guide politely.
Vocabulary expansion. A guide is someone who explains things at a museum.
Can I take pictures of everything?
Only if photography is allowed.
Grammar reminder. Only if is a conditional phrase that limits an action.
Should I thank the guide at the end?
Yes, it's polite to show appreciation.
Vocabulary focus. Appreciation means gratitude or thankfulness.
Can I feed the animals?
Only if the zookeeper says it's okay.
Grammar insight. Use only if to express conditions.
Should I tap on the glass of the animal enclosures?
No, it can scare the animals.
Vocabulary expansion. Enclosures are spaces where animals are kept safely.
Can I run near the animals?
No, running might disturb them.
Grammar reminder. Might expresses possibility.
What if I drop something in the animals area?
Tell a zookeeper immediately.
Vocabulary lesson. Immediately means right away, without delay.
Thanks for watching.
For watching more English learning videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.